In this video, you will learn how to put a logo on your Godaddy website. Follow these simple steps to put a logo on your Godaddy website. First, go to the Godaddy website and log in using your credentials. Next, go to your dashboard and click on My Products. Then, click on Website Builder. Under your website, click Manage. Edit your website. Once in the editor, click on Edit Site button to start editing your site. On the left-hand side of the editor, find the header section. Click on the header and edit it. Look for the logo placeholder or logo settings in the header options. You will see a button like Logo Changer or Upload a New Logo. Click on that and either upload a new logo from your computer or choose an image that is already saved in your media library. After uploading your logo, you may be able to adjust the sizing and alignment to make sure it is in the center. Once you've added your logo, make sure to save your changes, then publish it to your website if it's ready to go live. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.